This week on BCA, we've got a really exciting project for you. This is Noah, a surfing content creator. He hit us up a couple weeks ago as he wanted a full van conversion in his Hyundai iLoad, with everything that he needs to live on the road and travel comfortably. So in this video, we're taking you through a full step-by-step process of how we convert our vans from start to finish. Stick around for the final build and to see Noah's reaction when he sees his home on wheels for the first time. Let's begin. Since Noah is a content creator, we teamed up with him for this conversion as a collaborative project. We kick things off by showing Noah some of our previous van builds, discussing ideas and what equipment we could include on his van.
Just unscrew a few pieces in the front to get out the rubber. Which is really beautiful to have this rubber because we don't have a template for the floor and we can just trace around the rubber and it's going to be in no time. Today we've cut the floor template. I'm putting the insulation down on the floor. It's perfectly level.
Flo cuts the soundproof into size and sticks it down before securing the insulation and flooring on top.
The floor and insulation on the bottom. All the way across. Another 4 days, we're done.
This helps reduce noise and is key for staying cool in the Australian summer and warm in winter.
It takes off the vibration of the chassis of the metal and it just reduces the noise. Here we're gonna have the ceiling fan.
Insulation is then fitted throughout the rest of the van with templates being secured to create a flat surface.
Templates you won't see later stay inside the window because this material is really soft and it doesn't create a straight face. And to run the carpet perfectly.
The carpet is cut to size, secured to the walls with adhesive spray glue and pressed firmly into place for a seamless, clean finish.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yo, we're back today. We're patching out the roof fan. Let me come in here.
Oh wow.
Look, we're gonna cut the hole today. You ready?
Flo then carefully marks out the placement for the roof fan using a template and begins cutting out the hole, preparing it for installation.
Just have to clean it up now. A bit of sandpaper. And we put the fan in now. It's sitting in the right spot. And then down here is the frame, which I have to put the liquid nails on, basically the glue.
Once the roof fan is in place, the frame is then secured to the ceiling with glue and screws.
I'm just starting the subframe on each of the metal bars here along the car. We're gonna put these timber strips, do it all the way across, and then I think we start later with putting up the first 2 panels. We have some notch outs for the cable here. I think it's gonna go like that. So I just have to cut up 3 of these pieces. They're the same length, 290, and they're gonna run from the end of the car till the ceiling fan. The timbers here, they have a tongue and a groove. And they're gonna go together. It's gonna be about like that. But also the van looks fucking fantastic. I really like the van.
Cladding for the ceiling is cut to size, secured to the support beams with liquid nails, and then stapled down.
We have a nice cutout for the fan on the top. I have to connect the cables. They will be hidden all underneath here. After we done that, I can continue with the cladding and then the roof's finished. You see all those little black marks? There are little holes for the staples. We have to fill them, sand it, and then we paint it. And then the roof is finished. It's beautiful!
Final touches to the interior are made, followed by a custom cabinet and a sturdy frame for the fridge.
Floor's in, ceiling as well, the roof fan is installed, all the electricity is done. Yeah, up next we're gonna attack the painting part of the ceiling. Afterwards we're gonna do the Luffare bed and then we're gonna come to the front and install the battery and the 2 cabinets. I'm putting on the door, otherwise it's not road legal. I have a ratchet in my pocket because I got some screws in my head loose. I finished the doors. Yeah, we'll see, maybe Jack gets here with the Luffare kit and we install the Luffare kit. Yeah, we're back again, another day, Saturday, day of the pickup, and we're almost done. Roof's painted twice now. We chucked the bed in just now. Just start to install the solar, battery and everything else together. Here's a bit of the setup, the C charger, the inverter.
We installed the Luffare Campkit, a pre-assembled bed conversion that is available online for delivery or in-store. You can slide these kits into your van easily, ready to be secured in place for a hassle-free setup. This is the easiest and quickest way to convert your camper.
Rapid.
So we do it here at Backpacker Cars.
And just like that, Noah's conversion was complete.
Shoe shelf on this side, massive fridge on this way. You can also sit there with the laptop. The bed perfectly pulls out. Just right till there, gives you still a bit of gap. In case you have a breakdown, fuel pump, you can fix it.
Alright, we're here with Noah. He's not seen his van yet. We're going to be showing it him for the first time, so let's check it out.
Woo! Oh my
goodness. Is this even my car? That is insane.
Pretty sleek, eh?
The Luffare Campkits feature a pull-out kitchen, liftable work surface, collapsible sink, and plenty of storage with the option of customizing the space with removable dividers.
This is the Luffare kit. Flo's basically fitted this out to the exact width of your car. So he's cut all of this custom, so just so it's a lot more sleek in the van and looks kind of sexy. Come to the front, we've got an interior section. Freezer in the top left, dual battery system is down there, fan, and then a nice little storage section. An extendable bed.
Solar panel, roof fan, roof racks. Yeah, it's insane. Looks incredible. And we're set.
Ready for the road.
Wow, that looks beautiful. This is just ridiculous. I can't believe this is my car. What a great design.
Yeah, you can lift those. You can put more storage in there.
Incredible. Amazing.
Flo's been sweating his balls off today.
Oh, the whole week, man.
Oh, the hottest day. It's like all the colours I wanted too.
It's like a studio van. Yeah.
How good is it going to be for filming? Is it sad to say goodbye?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Flo cries after every van build.
No, this one actually in particular I liked a lot. Yeah.
You bonded?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I'm gonna find it. I put a tracker in it.
Stoked with his new conversion and Luffare Campkit, we said goodbye and Noah hit the road to begin his travels.
If you like this sort of content where we show you how we convert our vehicles, let us know in the comments below, and as always, like and subscribe.